So you're wondering what are the most essential things for a car detailing business? Well, in today's video I will tell you and show you what those things are, so let's get started. The first thing would be this thing that I got here below me, and this would be some sort of a vacuum. Now preferably it should be a wet and dry vacuum, and if you don't want to spend money for compressor, you can always just get the vacuum, but it needs to blow air out as well. Now this here is from Vacmaster. It's a wet and dry vacuumer, but it's only a vacuumer. It doesn't blow air out. So if you order this one, you would need to order also a compressor. But there are vacuumers that can blow air out as well. So yeah, this for me is the third most essential thing. Yeah, what can I say? It's a vacuum cleaner, and without it you won't be able to clean a car. So yeah, the third most essential thing right here. Now the second most essential thing for me is this guy right here. I hope that the camera picks it up. I will show you a close-up as well. So guys, this is a close-up. This tool is called torn door. Now, why it's called like this? Well, inside here it has like a tube, and this tube is spinning, and it creates like a little tornado, and it removes the dirt very efficiently out of your car. This right here is paired with compressor, but you can also find them with the option that can be paired with the vacuum cleaner. Nothing more to say about this one. It's just very useful, and it saves you a lot of time, guys. And guys, the number one most essential thing for car detailing is a good interior cleaner. And when I say good, I mean good, guys. Now my personal recommendation is this guy right here. This is a Koch Chemi cleaner. It's a Polestar, and it's one of my favorites by far. Why this one? There is a ton of good cleaners out there, but why this one? For me, it comes down to gentleness, dilution ratio, and effectiveness. This right here is highly dilutable cleaner. It's 1:5 or 1:20, and it's also a very gentle cleaner. You can use it on bunch of stuff and it won't leave any marks or stuff like this. And it's also very effective. It is kind of gentle, but it's also very powerful, so I really like this one. It also smells great for me. Some detailers like to say that it smells like a wet dog, and I don't get that. For me, it just smells fresh. I don't know what else to describe it as, but just fresh. So hey guys, the most important thing in my opinion is to have a good interior cleaner, because it will save you a bunch of time, you won't damage the interior of the car, and this one is also very dilutable, so you save a bunch of money. But yeah guys, these were just three of my kind of most essential basic tools for car detailing business. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate that. And thank you guys for watching as well. So I will see you in another one. Bye guys.